My name is Chef Louie. My passion is making some of the best vegan food you'll ever try. I was born in Mexico, but I grew up in Monterey, California, Big Sur to be exact. I've been cooking since I was a kid. My dad was a chef. My mom's an amazing cook as well. Yeah, so I'm here now. We're out here serving some of our vegan food. Today we have our chickpea tostadas. We're also doing our couscous salad with jerk fried mushrooms, and we're doing our flautas. That's one of the fans' favorite. The flautas come with potato, chorizo, a little sour cream, and tomatillo salsa on top. So yeah, pretty much I've been cooking since I was a kid. I was 6, 7 years old when my mom had 2 jobs, so pretty much cooking for my brother and my sister every day, making sandwiches, salads, a little bit of everything. And now I'm here making vegan food, so thank you. You can find me all over Vegas. Wednesday nights I'm at Crank and Grind Bike Shop. They're pretty much every Wednesday night after every bike ride. You can also find me all around Vegas, farmers markets, things like that. Yeah, my Instagram is Chef Louie's Vegan Food. It's right there. Check it out. Come try some vegan food.